In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize with I in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main account screen. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout. This will make the next steps much easier, especially if you're new to the dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu, and it's where you'll usually go to access the core areas of the platform. If your menu is collapsed or minimized, just make sure you can clearly see the available options before moving on. From that left side menu, click on Dashboard. This will take you to the main dashboard view, where you can access key tools and features tied to your account. The dashboard is often the central place for insights, shortcuts, and quick actions, so it's a good starting point for using built-in AI features like summarizing. Once the dashboard has loaded, look toward the upper right-hand side of the screen. This area usually contains utility tools and quick access icons, so it's worth getting familiar with it. You may need to pause for a second and visually scan that corner if you don't immediately spot the option. What you're looking for is the icon that looks like two diamonds. When you find it, click on that icon. This is the control that triggers the AI summarizing feature. If you accidentally click something else, don't worry, just return to the dashboard and try again. After clicking the two diamond icon, the AI will begin generating the summary. At this point, the most important thing to do is wait while the process finishes. Depending on your system speed or the amount of information being processed, it may take a little time. Try not to click away too quickly or interrupt the action, because the tool needs a moment to complete the summary properly. Once it's done, the summary should be available for you to review. If it seems like it's taking longer than expected, give it a few extra seconds before trying anything else. In many cases, the delay is normal, especially when AI is processing more content behind the scenes. And that's it. That's how to summarize with AI in Gohighlevel. As you use this feature more often, it'll become much faster and more intuitive to find and use.